Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony. Let's make some simple and easy skinless sausages. And I hope you have been enjoying what I've been presenting to you so far. And on this channel, I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates. But it is still yummy and still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. Sausages are often found on the breakfast table, but can be added to many dishes to make a hearty meal. Lately, I've found that homemade sausages are more enjoyable to my family, and I think it's because we are more comfortable and we know what is in the sausage, and we're able to season it the way we like it. Now, if you'd like to see me make these, then continue watching. Today we're going to make some skinless chicken sausage. And in my bowl here, I have 4 small thighs and a very small breast. Over here we have our spices that I want to use. You can use whatever you want. So I'll be using paprika, chili powder, a little jerk seasoning and some black pepper. Over here I have some Sazon, complete seasoning, and my all-purpose, which is my salt. And over here I have 2 heap tablespoons of cornstarch. Then I have some green seasoning, and then a tablespoon of sugar, and then I have some huge cloves of garlic. I want mine to be very garlicky. Now here I have some red color. It's optional, but my son likes to see his sausage with that red color, so I'm going to use a little if I need it. Now, you're definitely going to need a piping bag, and I'm going to show you how you can use some cling film, and maybe if you don't have that, you can use some grease paper. But I bought some very small bags, 4 centimeters by 15 centimeters, very small bags, and they're inexpensive, so you could use those. And then, because I didn't get my meat minced, I have to use my food processor. But if you have the minced chicken, then you'll be okay. Because chicken can be very dry, I took off some of the fat, but I left some on, and a bit of the skin, because this will keep the sausage moist. To start, let's mince the meat. This smells so wonderful. The fresh garlic gives such an aromatic smell. So, and we're not yet finished with the seasoning, so we're going to scrape this out now in a bowl. Our mince is done, and now it's time for seasoning. So remember, you can season the way you like. This is my preference. Just empty it in. Now you may make it as spicy as you like. You can even add some tomato paste. You can add soy sauce, any other seasoning you like. Just add it where you like your sausage. At this stage, you need to get your hands messy, and we're going to rub it. Just rub everything in. Make sure you're using your fingers to spread the seasoning. Now it's time to add you may use flour, but I'm using cornstarch, and this is 2 tablespoons. And along with that, 2 tablespoons of cold water, and we are going to rub. this is just to bind it, keep it together. No, you may leave it as is, but my son loves a little color, so I'm just going to add a little red color, just to change it a little, not too much, just to give it a different color. Now we've added the color. I'm trying to blend it out properly, and you change it slightly. Now it's time to bag them and get ready for packaging. So I take an amount. This is going to be a large one, and you can use the cling film and we cover it. Then you use your finger to shape it. Keep shaping it, spreading it out, spreading it out, spreading it out. Then you roll it. Now that we have the shape we like, we're going to tighten the roll, and we're going to hold it. Use your finger all the time, shaping it, roll it, continue to roll it till you're finished. Then you roll both ends like this, and you roll the other one in the opposite direction. Then your sausage is done. Now, because it's skinless, you have to place it in a container and put it in the freezer, and you place it like this. That's the first method. So you start shaping it on the paper. Start shaping it, giving it a little shape. Then you start folding, just as you would with the cling film, using your finger all the time to get the required shape, and you just roll. This one, you'll not get the rounded edge, you'll do more this a kind of square, and then you put it to freeze. Next one is your piping bag, and this is much easier. You can use any plastic bag and skip the end, and then you pipe it. For me, I find that a little easier because I'm using some little bags. Then I'm going to snip the end and begin to pipe. Now we're trying to go to the bottom, so take it as close to the bottom as possible. Yeah, and then you come up as far as you can, and I'm stopping here. And now this is self-adhesive, so I remove here. I'm removing the tape right here, and then I just close it, and there I have my little sausage. Now we cover and put away in the freezer. Now here we have it, a day later. Our sausages are frozen, and this is how you have to cook it from frozen because it's skinless. So I'm going to prepare some now. So I'm taking about 4 sausages, or maybe more. Let me take 6. I'm going to prepare for breakfast. I'm removing the plastic now, and these sausages must be cooked from frozen. Remove the plastic and put it in the pot. Now we turn the stove on, and we're going to cook our sausage for a little while. So we're going to add a little bit of water before, not oil yet, just a little water so that it can steam. And I'm going to cover the pot. just a minute, and we turn it after a minute, because we just want to steam so that before we do any frying, we have the chicken steaming. Cover it, let it steam. After 5 minutes of steaming and the water has dried off, we're going to add a little oil now for frying. So I'm going to put a little oil, just a little oil, you don't want a lot, just so that you can fry. We're allowing it to fry now. Because what we have just created is more like a skin. Our sausages are fried and ready. You can fry it as crisp as you want or as brown as you want. I like this color, so I'm going to stop right here. Don't fry too long, you don't want to dry it out. Now here you have it, homemade skinless sausages. Well seasoned, salt to perfection, juicy, spicy and extremely tasty. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.